Banana and honey steamed cake.
You don't think this looks good?
It does look good.
I might get that.
Get it. Give it a shot. Guys, I got this chocolate milk. I've been looking for chocolate milk forever here. Actually slaps. Highly recommend. Only from Lawson's. That L's for Lawson's. Definitely check it out. We just pulled out here in Kawagoe Station. We're going to actual Kawagoe, which is down the road like 20 minutes. Sorry, it's a 20-minute walk.
What?
We could take a bus, but I think we should walk it. What else are we doing today? We'll take the bus back.
Our legs.
Kawagoe is, well, I won't tell you exactly what we're doing here yet, because I don't want to spoil it for Cordelia, but you will see momentarily. The walk looks pretty, but actually a little bit colder than was hoping. Yeah, just it's the wind that's killing us. So we are gonna give up and take the bus. What you eating?
Oh, it's not just banana. It's banana and honey steamed cake.
And it tastes amazing. It tastes a lot like banana
Pretty
bread.
much better than banana bread.
Yeah, buy this one at Lawson's. It's really good. Basically, this is kind of an Edo traditional style area in Japan that you can still explore and enjoy. And I don't see so many tourists here. Like, I mean, there's clearly tourists, but they seem like Japanese tourists. I don't see foreign tourists, which is interesting. We just passed a Snoopy Village here, which is like the Snoopy store in like a traditional building. And it also looked like it had like Snoopy Cafe stuff in there, but it didn't open until 10, so we may check it out on our way back. This one looks like ube, guys. It says it's purple sweet potato, which is typically, that's what ube is. Guys, this is Starbucks. What in the world? It's what? Oh.
This one's a fall one.
We're just walking through and came across like everyone's taking pictures or something. Turns out it's freaking feudal Japan Starbucks. We just saw a lady pulling a rickshaw with people behind her. It looks like such a tough job, dude. But it's, I mean, very like correct for the area, right? Oh my god, look at that thing. I think the street we're currently on is Kashiya Kokocho. I might have said that wrong. Future Cody, correct me here. I think this is the street we're on, which is like a sweet street, like a candy street. It looks like a nice place, so yeah, maybe this is it. We're gonna go in this business back here because it looks very cool inside. What? Oh, so cute, kawaii. I got this candy, citron flavored. Very good, hard candy. I got the grape soda lemonade. Cordelia didn't like it very much, but I like it.
It's alright.
Oh, it's very grapey. I say it's more grape than lemon. Japan, what? Japan, why? Japan, keep being weird, dude.
Apparently sponsored by Family Mart.
An ambulance just went by, and the cars got to the side of the road and stopped, right, like they do. And then over the loudspeaker, the people in the ambulance said, "Arigatou gozaimasu." They literally, over the loudspeaker, thank the cars for moving so that they can get by. Can you even imagine that? I don't have to imagine it because I just saw it. But think about how crazy that seems if you're not from here. Oh wow, a lot of people. This is Hikawa Shrine here in Kawagoe. Don't know much about it, just saw it on the map, put it on the list. So it looks very nice though. A lot more people here than I expected to be. Are you gonna play this?
Kinda. There's more though. There's like 4 more. I'm trying to let fate grab one. Oh, there we go.
Ah.
I'm not gonna be able to read it.
Eigo janai. Guys, this torii is huge. That is massive. Cordelia got a love fortune.
Purity, love, fortune.
That's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
She had to translate it though because it was all in Japanese.
Of course.
I think my favorite thing about Kawagoe is the lack of other foreigners. I know we're foreigners, but we've heard a little bit of Chinese. I think I saw a couple other like Westerners, but it's been majority Japanese people here, which is something we haven't really seen at the other places we've been. No Japanese people, hardly anywhere we've been since we got here. Well, there's Japanese people, but they're like the minority at the places we've been. Oh, this is really cool. It feels so authentic, so real. Anyone in the comments know what the shoes are about? Why they're on this one here? I mean, it's very interesting, but there's got to be some significance, right? Alright, I think we're done in Kawagoe. I really enjoyed it. It's a very chill location to visit compared to a lot of things you could do. And this shrine was awesome. I highly recommend it. The main street and the sweet street, they're not like crazy big. It's not like a whole
Kind of a
Edo.
small area.
Yeah, there's a few different streets to go off on and look at things. It's interesting for pictures, but I think actually the main thing here, we'll combine it all together, but I really like, don't miss the shrine. It's very nice. Okay, we're headed next to Nakano, I believe. Nakano Station, Nakano Broadway. It's going to be a complete vibe change. So, change the vibes, here we go.